Hello friends. Hope you are all doing great. Today I am going to share with you how I reduced 10 kg. This video will definitely help you to reduce weight if you are on track. So let's see what I eat in a complete day. Every day I make sure I am doing 20 to 30 minutes of workout. Yes, I did click this pic in the same place and the same dress to evident my weight loss. Good morning, friends. Let's start our day. So every morning I start my day with a glass of hot water and some drops of lemon. It really boosts our metabolism. It has a major role in our weight loss journey. Initially, you will feel little difficult to drink this, but day by day, you will get adjust to this taste. Now, it's the time to take the first meal of our day, that is breakfast. I always try to take breakfast yummy and healthy, which will kickstart our day. For breakfast, I eat overnight oatmeal or banana oatmeal. Overnight oatmeal recipe link I have given in the description box. To make banana oatmeal, take a saucepan, boil 1 cup of water, add half cup of oats and add half cup of milk. Let it boil for some time so that the oats will get cooked. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this. Our oatmeal is ready to have. I add some toppings like banana, some crunchy mueslis and some chia seeds. For lunch, I normally take a roti made of flaxseed, oats and wheat and a bowl of vegetable with some salad. To make this, take a cup of oats, grind it to fine powder. To knead it, take a bowl, add half cup of whole wheat, then add half our grinded oats, then 2 teaspoon of grinded flaxseed. Knead the dough something like this. Then make the roti. This is a very easy recipe to have a diet vegetable. Let's boil some bottle gourd with some chana dal and give tadka. You can add according to your flavor, whatever you like. It's very easy to make and very quick. is the time for snacks. For snacks, I take a cup of green tea without sugar and a handful of roasted peanut. Or sometimes I take milk tea without sugar with 2 rusks. Dinner I always try to make very light. I always take 2 boiled egg and some salad. If I am more hungry, then that day I take an omelette and the roti what I show in the lunch recipe, then make a egg roll which is easy and delicious. Sometimes we need different taste also, which we will not feel bored. Hope you all enjoyed my video. I am not a proper dietitian. I have just shared my diet meal plan. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also mention your view in the comment section. We will meet soon with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.